Well, let's maybe address a big issue, or not an issue, let's just maybe address the manufacturing and China where our rooftop tents are made. We've always been very open about it. So
Yeah.
what are your immediate thoughts on, I mean, we could talk about the world stage, what's going on. We could talk about length of manufacturing. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I mean, you know me, never want to talk about politics, but
Right.
I think, we've been very open. Our tents are manufactured in China, and it's a weird time right now, but it doesn't change our process, our quality, who we manufacture with. We choose one company that we've worked with for the last going on 11 years now.
Yep.
And they've, maybe talk about a little bit on the quality control side, the manufacturing. We touched on obviously the product and the thoughts around that, but
yeah, I mean, I'm simple in it too. I think that there's a right way to do things in China and manufacturing. Just, Apple's figured it out. Other major companies have figured it out. Most of the shoes we wear. So I think about it very simply in the fact that the time we've been doing it isn't really going to change. But the infrastructure that we have over there with our factory and the way that it's grown is, we've got rain machines, wind tunnels, our own fabric testing facilities, quality control on that side of it, where we get our materials from, because it's not like we're physically making them. We still source them. So we source, we manufacture, we put together. And doing it that way allows you to control a lot of things. But Tri-Layer is a really good example of where it started and where it's at today, because it started almost 9 years ago in High Country V1 Premium is what we called it. So we've made advancements with that. It's gotten more waterproof. We've changed things with it. Blackout.
The sonic welding has changed. We've dialed
temperatures have changed in that. So I think that length in business and working with the same person, we're almost too far beyond where, like, even thinking that it's possible to do it here with a tent like Evolution is, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Like, our manufacturing is not broke. We have been doing it for a long time, testing, level 7 testing, which meets a ton of,
high wind
rain
conditions.
requirements, wind requirements, things that you're going to experience outside. So I'm bullish or excited. I still think that China is the place where it's going to fuel this industry, Taiwan or any of these other places. So I don't think much our quality's not going to change. No,
and what's great about working with one manufacturer for so long is they hold the same values that we do.
Right.
High quality, we want them to last long. The simplicity, it's a very, it's a perfect working relationship that we've built over the last 10, 11 years.
I think that's one of the things that people forget, is that, like, you get all the political bullshit going on.
Yeah.
And you they come to stay at our house. They're like family does. Normal business relationship like you would have with somebody in California or New York, living in Denver. We're that close. It's a business relationship. We're a lot of you guys are friends with the people you work with, and so are we, truly.
Yeah, 100%.
It's a big part of our business, and so they're a big part of what we do.
Yeah, I agree.